What's up, fellow Plymaths? In this video of the Java Fundamentals tutorial, we'll be going over method parameters. So we went over method parameters a bit in the method tutorial. Here we can get into a little bit more detail with method parameters. So with method parameters, parameters act as variables inside the method parentheses. Parameters are specified after the method name inside the parentheses. You can add as many parameters as you want, with each parameter separated by a comma. When a parameter is passed into the method, it's called an argument. So if, for example, we have a variable called the first name and then a value named John, the first name represents the parameter and John represents the argument. When you're using multiple parameters, the method call must have the same number of arguments as the parameters of the method, and the arguments must be passed in the same order as the parameters of the method. So pretty much what we went over in the methods tutorial applies here. So here's an assignment for this topic. Write a short story about 2 paragraphs that features 2 characters. Parameters will be the first names of the 2 characters. Be creative. If this video was of any value to you, then please leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.